What's up, Moses? Deuce Television Gang, man. We back at it with another video, man. And in this video, you see the Durango. About to do that muffler delete. So I'm just gonna cut the pipe right now. But I guess I'm gonna go to AutoZone and get the little pipe to just put back in it, and it'll be straight pipe. I'm gonna get down here and show y'all right quick what we looking like. So let me turn. So that's the muffler. We just gonna take that out. Yeah, let me get under here. You see the cat right here. I guess somebody already cleaned it out. It's my second car with one like this. Remember the 300? Somebody gutted the cat, whatever. But yeah, just that one muffler. We're gonna have it dumped for right now. Then I'm gonna put the tip on the end. And that's gonna be that. Yeah, I think that's about it. I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a start. So far, that's how it sounds. Give it a couple revs. It's already warmed up, so. What's on the other side? Just push down. That's what it sounds like now. Alright, Moses will do so. That's the whole muffler. The only thing left under there is, oh, you can't even see it. Oh, the one cat. Not bad though. It's not bad. It's not that loud, but it's not bad either.
That's like loud. It's like growling on.
I might get dudes now since all the piping right there. Let me get y'all some ink cabin riding around and stuff after my brother finished doing what he's doing. I'm gonna start cleaning up, so I'll get back at y'all when we leaving. I probably heard his car before. Mine's running too. That's our T8 down there. Probably gonna move it tonight because it's been on the street. I haven't really had nowhere to store it. this. We about to get a Durango cold start for the video. And right here, as you see, we got the SRT. So I'm gonna put this right here. Alright, gang. I'm about to see if I get these pops for y'all. Y'all know when it switch. This thing sound like a little 8-speed.
The 8-speed automatic.
It do it at 40, 70, and 100. Those the 3 gears.
I accidentally hung up. Hung up with somebody.
This just regular cruising.
It got the torque.
It probably got the torque. It probably got the torque, but I don't think it's
fast. It feels way faster. When I hit my shit, it's front wheel drive. I just spin.
That's the only reason I might get you though.
Yeah, I'm gonna just keep spinning. But then when I catch traction, it's a little quick little motherfucker.
I think if I had my 4-wheel drive.
Oh yeah. I walk you though.
You'll walk me, yeah.
You will get me in the long run, but as you go, I'm gonna walk you.
I'm digging this stuff. Try and get caught by that. Let's do it again. That'd be all I be wanting to hear in this car. It's a little pop. Yeah. I'm gonna get back at y'all. Get some drive-by shots too. So I'm about to get risky. try to go ahead and get this. Oh, damn, that's a bed right there. Still gonna go for it. Alright, Mother Seduce, so that's gonna be the end of the video and everything. I just wanna say, cause I haven't been posting, you know. I haven't even, because my phone was off, I didn't even get to post the stuff for my family channel. If you're not following, it's Family First. I'm gonna link that. But Merry Christmas to everyone. Happy New Year's Eve. Happy New Year's, man. I hope 2020 is great to everyone. So I switched it up a little bit, even though I didn't hit 500 subscribers yet. We still gonna take it up a notch, man. 1K before 2021, dog. We going up. I mean, it's only up from here, guys. So please like, rate, subscribe. Share the video if you want. Dislike the video. I mean, that helps too. If you don't like it, you say something, man. So I catch y'all in the next video. We gone, y'all.